that you might want to be aware of is rotating your tires. Manufacturer's recommendation is usually 7,000, 7,500, but I'll tell you what, we at Western Motor do recommend you do it probably every oil change, for the simple fact, convenience is everything. We all know how busy our lives are. We have a tendency to put things off, and what usually happens if you don't do it when you do your oil change, it's hard to make that time to come back into the dealership in 2,000 miles and just rotate your tires. So that's why we do encourage you to do your oil change, rotate your tires at the same time. What the rotation will do for you in the long run, these things are going to last you a lot longer. They're expensive. It is something that you do want to take care of. Rotating your tires, you want to keep your tread depth as even as possible so that your front tires and your rear tires are at the same tread depth. A lot of our newer SUV vehicles are all-wheel drives. It is very, very important to keep that tread depth the same. Those tires have to spin at the same rate. If they don't, it causes issues with the differentials, and the computer will go, I'm running faster in the front, slower in the back, when in fact you're going the same speed all the way around, of course. The life of the tire, they'll last a lot longer. If you do rotate your tires, of course, if we see a wear pattern that needs your attention, we'll also let you know as soon as possible. Okay, the one other thing I want to mention, you got your tires rotated, you're keeping that going for yourself. You also want to make sure you do an alignment on your vehicle. I want to mention to you always, just because your car is driving straight does not mean your vehicle doesn't need an alignment. That's why I said it's good to rotate your tires every time you change your oil so that you can catch that pattern early. I want to show you here, this is a severe case of an alignment gone wrong, all right? As you can see, the inside of the tire was wearing severely, where if you were looking at the outside of the tire, you'd say, oh, I've got plenty of tread, when in fact, you are at a very, very unsafe tread depth here. You've got steel belt actually showing. When I say that they will drive straight even with this tire pattern, if your passenger side, let me show you, if you are driving this way and you're actually driving as we call pigeon-toed, like this, but you're pigeon-toed evenly on both sides, your vehicle is still going to drive straight, alrighty? If you're driving and your tires are like this, you're still going to drive straight, but you're still going to get this wear pattern here. That's why it's very, very important, rotate your tires all the time, and that way you can catch this early. You know, this was not caught early enough by any means. The other thing I wanted to mention to you is, as you can see, these wear bars on your tires, these tires were at the point of replacement anyway. This outer one, you still were at the top of the fail mark, but as you can see, they were just starting to wear at that angle severely. Like I said, the road force balancer is one of the best balancers that you can get out there. Most places don't have it. We have the top of the line alignment rack on there. With all your new electrical suspensions, you've got wheel speed sensors. It is very, very important to make sure that you use the top of the line alignment rack along with balancing your tires. Once again, we're here for you. Take care of your tire needs for you anytime. Please give us a call. We care about making sure that you're safe on the road. It's our top priority. We do like to see your smiling faces, so come on in and take advantage of our top of the line equipment we have, and we'd be glad to get you taken care of.
One way, your way, Western Motor.